Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2011 Physics Past Question 19. If the volume of a gas increases steadily as the temperature decreases at constant pressure, the gas obeys A. Pressure law, B. Charles law, C. Graham's law, D. Boyle's law. So you have four gas laws given to us, and we asked for the one which describes the volume of a gas increasing as temperature decreases at constant temperature. So this is more or less like an inverse proportionality. So which of the following describes inverse proportionality between volume and temperature? Okay, now, and of course at constant pressure. Now option A says pressure law. Now pressure law states that for a fixed mass of gas at constant volume, okay, pressure is directly proportional to absolute temperature. So as you can see, does not describe what we have here, and it is not the answer to the question. Now option B says Charles law. Now Charles law actually has to do with the volume and temperature of gas, and Charles law, which has to do with volume and temperature of the gas, states that the volume of a gas equals a constant value multiplied by its temperature as measured on Kelvin scale. Okay, so this shows that, or this basically indicates that there is a direct relationship between volume and temperature. Okay, volume and temperature if the pressure is constant. So option C talks about Graham's law, or Graham's law of diffusion, and Graham's law of diffusion states that rate of diffusion of a gas R, okay, rate of diffusion of a gas, which is given as R, is inversely proportional to the square root of the molecular weight of that gas. So it is not the answer to the question. And lastly, Boyle's law states, or Boyle's law, okay, which has to do with pressure and volume, states that pressure is inversely proportional to volume. The pressure of a gas is inversely proportional to its volume, provided that temperature remains constant. Okay, so from what we've seen here, the one that has to do with volume and temperature is Charles law, and Charles law is option B, which is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.